Hey everybody, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. Today I have another quick product review for you. This white corner bookshelf from Yitahome. They are also the ones that sent me the kitchen cart that I put together a while ago. So their products are always packed really nicely, coming with a great set of instructions, a checklist to make sure you have everything that you need. And I just found that this was really easy to put together. I will say that you are going to need a little bit of hand strength to use the mini screwdriver and the Allen wrench that's provided, but if you have power tools, it will come together even faster. So here's how the box comes, and you're just going to want to carefully open it so that you're not going to scratch any of the pieces. But as you'll see as I open it up here, everything is packed really nicely with lots of styrofoam. There's your instructions that I just showed you. This little packet has all of the hardware labeled in bags with letters, and then each of the individual pieces are wrapped really nicely. Now, I was surprised that the frame of this is metal, and then the shelves themselves are a really thick, like wood, pressed wood. So just following the directions in the booklet, I was able to put this together by myself in under an hour, not using power tools, just using the screwdriver and the Allen wrench that came in the package. So I'm just showing you little highlights of putting it together. Basically, you're going to put this little counter leg that is on the bottom on first, and then you're going to build the bottom half of the shelving unit. So attaching 3 shelves that get smaller as you go to the top, you're going to attach these to one side of the metal frame. And then once you have those on, you'll attach the other corner of the frame to the other side of the shelves. Basically, you're going to build the bottom half of the ladder shelf, then the top half, and then put them together. So here's the bottom half all put together. Then the top half has 2 more shelves. So we'll put those together, and then you'll see me put in some brackets and attach the top piece to the bottom. So now that the 2 halves are put together, here is the bracket, kind of what's going to be the bridge between this bottom half of the shelving unit and the top. I will say that this one was a little tricky to screw in because you had the shelf in the way, but it is doable. Just take your time. And then you're going to slide the top half of the shelf onto those brackets and put the other set of screws in. I was very impressed with how sturdy and well made this piece is. Like I said, all of the frame is metal, lots of screws that keep it nice and firm, and the shelves are like a pressed wood material. And here it is all put together. This stands 70 inches tall with lots of space between each of the shelves, and you can see it fits really nicely, and the feet on the bottom are adjustable in case your floor is uneven. Here's just a quick little picture to show you how tall it is compared to me. It's about 6 feet tall. I hope you guys enjoyed this product review. If you have any questions, check the description box.